this is Shalimar Steinberg, and today I'm talking about how to assign attributes to blocks. Alright, so I've drawn the object that I want to be my block, and I am going to actually explode it right now so that I'm going to treat it like it hasn't been a block before, because I'll be saving it as a block with the attributes once I've applied them. So I'm going to go to the ATT command, or attribute definition, and for my first one I'm going to say type, and my prompt is going to be what kind of furniture, and my default is going to be a chair, or actually in this case a bed. Then I'm going to put my text height at 0.125. I would probably have to scale that up later, but I don't really want the attributes to be the main noticeable thing about my block, so actually thinking about the height of my object, I'm going to put 1 inch instead of 0.125. I'm going to insert it on screen, and I'm going to leave the justification left, and the text style I'm going to leave standard for right now. So I'm going to say OK, and then it's asking me where do I want that text to start. So I'm going to put it near the corner of this bed. I could put it on the bed, I could put it at the bottom, anywhere that I want to. I just want it to be somewhere where it's going to move with the object. Okay, so I've got that one. I'm actually going to move it over just a little bit. I don't want it that close to the object. Come on. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to do another one. So I'm going to do that same command. And this time I'm going to click a line below the previous attribute, and I'm going to put material. And I'm going to have the default be wood. I'm going to leave the same text height and things, and it automatically aligns it for me right under there. I could create as many attributes as I want for this object. I'm just going to go with these two for right now. The next thing that I'm going to do is go to the block command. So block, and I'm going to name it bed. I'm going to specify a pick point on screen of this corner, and I'm going to say convert it to a block. Once it's done, I'm going to have it scale uniformly, and I'm going to allow exploding. Then I'm going to specify objects. Now I'm going to pick the objects that are part of the drawing first. And then I'm going to pick each of the attributes in order. Now I hit OK, and it says OK. And now it's asking me what those defaults are going to be for the object. And I'm going to say yes, in this case I want it to be bed and wood. Okay, so it leaves my original object, but it's changed the text now to read bed and wood. Now, anytime that I go to insert that same block, so I'm going to go to more options, and I'm going to choose bed. I'm going to say OK. And when I go to click on the screen, it's going to ask me again, what do I want for those defaults? So maybe this model is still a bed, but it's glass and metal. And I can change that, say OK, and then it has it there. Now when I extract this to a table, it will say, okay, you have this many beds of this material and this many beds of this material ordered for this house design in my table, and I'll be able to then order them as I want to. Alright,